yeah. That is a dang good start. That's a dang good start.
I did not practice, nor do I care.
Adam Cole, baby, give it all. Breathe deep.
All right.
I got lucky. I got Rita and Nene.
Now, there's no way that I'm going to be able to top my sister. She was the queen of Birdcall.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm going to give it my best shot.
Let's see. I'm a little short, so I gotta bring it down.
Okay, man,
All
you
right.
do it. Yeah.
Matt. All
I'm
right.
not gonna top any of these. But
Come
I'm
on,
gonna
try it. Come on, Matt.
We are at the party and we're gonna sing the happy birthday. And we're gonna sing.
Give me a bird call.
A bird call. Yay!
Big dial here. Here we go. Come on, Pete. Look to the sky for inspiration.
This is a ringer. This is a ringer.
Ain't no ringer.
Ringer.
Let's see. And you know, you're allowed to take a second breath. I don't know if you heard.
I did.
Okay? Because you're allowed. I mean, that's the rules, you know?
Get up there.
Yay, Jackson. I'm doing it. All right, Ashton's up.
Come on, Ashton.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yay. Good job. All right, Mary. Make us proud, Mary.
Come on.